So guys, top of the morning, Kish My World. I'm in a hospital. It's called what is this? Abu Dhabi Health Services. Something Seha. It's called Seha. So I'm here to do a radiology exam. So I'm gonna be doing a scan to check if my body internal organs are working okay. So I'm gonna be having a EKG, which is like the heart thing, and then I'm gonna be doing an X-ray also to check out how and not an MRI, but I'll remember the name. Sorry, it's early in the morning. Yeah, but basically, yeah, I'm gonna be doing those things just to check that my health is okay. Also in the same process of organ donation, so that we can see how it's going. So, wait. They need my passport. They need my passport to make sure it is me who is getting scanned, So anyways, yeah, that's what I need to do. Remember, it's all in the process of dealing with kidney disease, to see how it goes. And yeah, just to get to see if I can be a match. There was a problem last time I was here, so that problem needs to be addressed because they found I have tuberculosis in my system, which needs to be dealt with before anything else can go on. But anyway, we're just gonna do these exams, then tomorrow they'll have an assessment meeting and see what's the next step forward. But so far, that's the progress. So yeah, that's my sister over there taking care of business, people business. And then after that, we are going to go into the radiology and yeah, do that chest X-ray, see how I look inside thoroughly, and then do the EKG to see how my heart is and everything more. So top of the morning, Kish My World, let's get treated. So I just did the chest X-rays, front side, and then I turned to the left, and then they took also the left side to see how the chest looks. And now I'm going to do CT scan. Yeah, I didn't even know I'm doing CT scan, so probably they're gonna put me in that machine, whole body goes around, see how it goes. I don't know if it's allowed to film in there. I'll ask this guy actually, it'll be interesting. Then after that, EKG, the EKG. How many have you done of these?
Oh my god, like maybe 15.
But you've done all of them apart from CT?
I've finished.
Yeah. So you've done chest, MRI?
No, I didn't do MRI. I did chest and abdomen scan, but I didn't do MRI. I did EKG. I did, I don't know, like ultrasound of the heart as well.
Oh, okay. But no CT and no MRI?
No, and they were all okay apart from colonoscopy.
I hope I don't get to do colonoscopy.
I think no.
Yeah, thank God. Okay, let's wait for the CT and see how it goes.
Because otherwise you better lie down. Where is Jessie?
I'm gonna take some blood samples now and see. I'm just documenting myself here.
Yes,
Yeah, I'm gonna do some blood samples. I hate blood samples. I hate drawing blood. It is what it is.
I think you better lie down.
I better lie down, eh? Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
Yes.
Yeah, because of the dizziness.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I cannot carry you.
You can't carry me.
Yes.
But the abdomen.
The CT scan itself is
Yeah.
like 15 to 20 minutes only.
Okay. No pain, eh?
The only pain is this one.
This one right
The
now.
cannulation only. But the rest of the procedure,
Yeah.
you will feel hot.
You'll feel?
Hot.
Okay. So I'm gonna put this scan for my abdomen. Take it like a man. Strong. Hello. Sawadee.
Yes, okay.
Hey, be strong, please.
Think about your in the beach, yeah.
Which beach?
Corniche.
Cornish. See, your
I
hands
thought he would say Maldives or something.
Ah, Maldives. Yeah.
until shivering.
Yeah, it's very.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay.
Maldives,
And go to the Maldives, please. No, the Prasma's not here yet. The Prasma's not here yet.
Oh, wait.
Look at this thing here. Oh. So going in. So now let's see how it goes. MRI.
Yeah. Just wait, sir. I'll just call the nurse.
Okay. Time for the MRI. So it's a CT scan for the abdomen that's going to happen. So apparently I am going to feel very, very warm after this. Ah, it's my turn. Okay.
Later.
So here is what happened. They put that thing on me, you know, the needle, and then I went to that bed. I managed to sneak a small video of that. But when they were testing if it's working, so they put some water, you know, to come up up the veins, like here, to go up. And from this point to this point exactly, if you guys can see here, it was such a pain, you know, because they're pushing like the water inside the vein, or inside the vein. So that was a bit painful. Actually, there's a lot of pain. Then there was something they did. Then they tried again, and it was less painful. I just felt like cold, you know, like chilling. Yeah. Then the rest of it, I was just lying in that CT scan machine. I mean, it was pretty basic until they put a current, like a magnet or radio stream that's supposed to go in through me and my entire body to check everything inside internally. And that one felt painful also, but it was so weird because my whole body heated up. I couldn't move, you know. Then I felt like such a sensation here because it goes all the way up to here. Like, you know, I don't know how to explain that sensation. It's not pain, but it's like you feel something coming up, and it's like eating you from the inside, you know. Yeah. And then after that, you have to breathe in and out, and it's very difficult to breathe at this particular point. Yeah. Then after that, they removed the thing, the needle, and then now I just need more scans, just in the abdomen. Yeah. And I had to pull my pants down, you know, to my knee level, so that they could get the abdominal scan and just make sure everything is good there. But yeah, so far so good. Now one more exam, I think. I still have to do the EKG, and that one usually is no pain, but let's hope so. So it wasn't too painful, but I've had pain twice, you know, a certain degree of pain. Yeah, ECG, that is the heart test, which is coming up next. Let's see if it goes well. Remove my shirt and lay down there.
Yes.
Okay, so it's testing the chest, the heart.
Yes.
Oh. So guys, I'm done with my medical checkups. You know, I did make a Röntgen, I did like ECG, I did CT scan, I did MRI, you know, just a bunch of tests, all these medical tests, you know, echo for the heart, the abdomen, the lungs, and so many more. And now I got a bunch of medicine because, as you know, I was found to be tuberculosis positive, the one that is like the relaxing or sleeping tuberculosis. I have it, and I'm supposed to take 2 tablets a day every morning before meals for the next 4 months. Yeah, I hate medicine, but for the next 4 months or 120 days, it is what it is. Yeah, and then after that, I'll do some tests to see if I've become better or not. And then after that, yeah, but this should really not affect the surgery much. So we are still gonna have to go on with the surgery, and I'm gonna take the tablets during, before and after still the surgery. So man, it's a lot of things to take in, confusion here and there, not really understanding, but we have hope and faith in the doctors. So now, yeah, it's time to go home. I'll keep you guys updated in this process of being a living kidney donor. And maybe today, later on, we'll try and get my sister to probably explain how the kidney disease is, you know, it might help somebody's life, like how she got diagnosed, how she got, the report that shit hits the fan, all this and that, and the processes, the expenses, the fears, the challenges. Yeah, so top of the morning, it's exciting, so let's keeping on. Top of the morning, Kish My World. See you in the other part. All right.